Congrats on everyone finishing their week of the Pantry Spring Clean Challenge. I'm hoping you feel a little less stressed, a little less tired, a little less overwhelmed, that you got some tips and tricks on how to kind of incorporate this into your daily meal planning and meal prep or your daily life so that it's not overwhelming to you. I'm hoping you found some cool, fun ways to make it fun, whether it's games or music or treat yourself at the end, and that you know that you're awesome and that you don't need to be perfect. There's only is whatever the best that you have, right? So whatever the best that you can do, the best that's available. Every day you're doing your best, and that is awesome. So if you can just add one little thing to your daily routine to help you, or what weekly routine, that's all that's needed, is little steps and little ways to make you feel better, and whatever works best for you. So I gave lots of tips and tricks throughout the week. Maybe you only need a couple, or be honest, my suggestion is just take one, try it out. And then if it works great, come back and look at another one and then try it out and just keep going from there. Because once you get the first one in as a habit, it won't be overwhelming for you to add the second one, right? So that's kind of where my big thing about all this is don't try to take it all at once. Just take little pieces. That's why I said write it all down. Write everything down that you would love done, and then kind of break it out. And then you just go a little bit by little bit. And there's no need to have it done all at once. You just do step by step, or clean one place at a time, and away you go. Until it's part of your weekly, monthly routines, and then you no longer think about it, which is the whole point of meal planning and prep, is that it's not an actual like stress to do it, but it's actually part of your daily routine. So being mindful, yes, of course, that it's on you're doing whenever you're doing something, you're mindful of the fact you're making decisions about your food, you're mindful you're making decisions about what you're going to be doing for the week, but not that you actually have to be like, oh my gosh, I have to make decisions. It's no, your decisions are already there. You just literally just go step by step and move through them. So I'm here to help with any of that. So if you want to talk to me on a one-on-one, I do have awesome services that I can provide you where we can kind of go through this all together, whether it's just kind of working through little things that you might want to add to your plan, or maybe it's actually like a full overload or reload or something where you want to take out your whole meal prepping plan and actually go 6 weeks with me in intense, and let's see what we can create an awesome habit for you over that time period. Or maybe it's just you want awesome Epicure seasonings in your cupboard, and that's sufficiently enough. Either way, I'm here to help on all of that. Feel free to reach out. Otherwise, thank you for being a part of this, and take care.